Hey everybody, it's me, Danny. Today, this video is a little bit different. I want to share with you why I started this business of sharing about aromatherapy. As you know, you've heard me say many times, I am a social worker and an aromatherapist. And my mission is to help educate and empower, right? To enhance our overall quality of life and well being. So, to tell you a little bit about my story, growing up, I had a number of health concerns, and for which I was the only one in my family that had so. So I would go in and out of the emergency room during the spring and in the fall for concerns with asthma, and I would periodically go for concerns with skin rashes, also known as eczema. And throughout my life, this was a reoccurrence every year, either going to the hospital or urgent care. It wasn't called urgent care as it is now, but emergency, and or having creams to deal with the skin rashes, right? So fast forward, went away to school, had an episode and was advised to get, skin allergy test or what have you. Learned that I was allergic to a number of different things, and still I was empowered with that information to move forward with my health. Fast forward some more, and I was introduced to a naturopathic doctor that shared with me about natural ways of eating and alternative ways of taking care of my skin and my body. Then, sometime later, I was introduced to a aromatherapist who inspired me. I was like, oh, the aromas not only smell good, but they are therapeutic. So I was so intrigued. I went to a weekend retreat for aromatherapy. The teacher was a master herbalist and an aromatherapist, and that just so inspired me. I enrolled in the school and I haven't looked back. So today, I'm a certified aromatherapist, and also, I shared with you I'm a social worker, but I'm also interested in natural health modalities. I am a 20-year vegetarian, and I look for things to help me to be my best life and live my best life, for which I have decided on this road to go. Of course, that's not, for everybody, and it has been a road in it itself being a vegetarian, because there's things you still need to do. But I'm saying that all to say natural health and aromatherapy, I've taken that, married the two, and enjoy, with my background in social work, for sharing that I share aromatherapy with. I first started off sharing with my church family and then expanded it on to my community. So that is my purpose and my mission, to share with people information to enhance our overall quality of life and well-being. So at one point in my life, I was dependent on, strictly dependent on someone else in the, conventional medical world for my health. And now I have taken a liberty to, seek out those things that would help me in my natural walk along, natural modalities and eating and aromatherapy. And I've taken what I'm learning and have learned and sharing it, because surely there's someone else out there who could use this information and not feel alone, not feel like they're the only ones. So this is my reason, this is my story, and I'm grateful that I'm here. And because my ancestors did, I am, and I am here, and to share what I am about in my journey and my story, in hopes that it would help someone else. So I thank you for watching. Bye bye now.